This is number 2 on page 595, and in this problem we have Jan, who's flying a triangular course in an airplane, and she's flying it all at the same speed of 320 miles an hour. So first of all, she flies due east for 2 hours. So if this is where Jan starts, and she flies due east for 2 hours, that's 320 miles an hour for 2 hours. So this is a distance of 640 miles. Then Jan makes a right turn. So she's going to turn, as she's headed this way, she's going to turn right and at a 65-degree angle. So that's going to turn her 65 degrees is in here. Okay, so she makes a right turn at a 65-degree angle, and she continues until she's at a 45-degree angle, because she's exactly southeast of where she started, to some point down here. So this is a 45-degree angle. And what we're supposed to find out is how much time it took her to fly from after she turned to this point down here. So this is going to be 320 miles an hour, a distance as the rate, and times whatever that amount of time is. So that's what we're going to solve for. So in looking at this problem, what I want to do is fill in the missing angles so that I can use the law of sines. If this is a 65-degree angle, then this is its supplement, or 115 degrees. These two then add to 160 degrees, so this angle down here is 20 degrees. So now I have a 20-degree angle opposite a known side, and I can use the law of sines on the 45-degree angle opposite this side. So I can say that the sine of 20 degrees is to 640, as the sine of 45 degrees is to 320 times t, rate times time. So cross multiplying 320t times the sine of 20 degrees is equal to 640 times the sine of 45 degrees. So I'm going to divide out, I'm going to isolate the t on the left, so I'm going to divide both sides by 320 times the sine of 20 degrees. Okay, so I have now isolated the t on the left, and I can simplify this a little bit. This is a 2 over 1. So t will be equal to 2 times the sine of 45 divided by the sine of 20 degrees. So time in this is about 4 13/100 hours. So I could translate that to, 13% of 60 minutes and find, how many hours and minutes that is if I needed to. And that is number 2.